What is up, trappers? Check it out, man. I am here with MyCru. We are in Fort Wayne, Indiana. We stopped here at the Portillos at Glenbrook Square to have some food. We're going to meet up with Elevated Concepts. There's a notification that Trap My Ride is live there, guys. You can see it in the background is the journey. Look at this. This was the cruise to Fort Wayne, guys. We made it here, but we stopped down there. We were going to go to the food court, but they closed in like 20 minutes, I guess. But as soon as all these cars rolled into the lot, mall security called Fort Wayne police, and the sergeant came down and he pretty much asked, hey, what are you guys doing? You know what I mean? Like, you guys are this deep, what's going on? So they sent security on us, guys, but everybody's rolling in here and I'm starved. I want to go in and eat, guys, but we are getting ready to hit the car meets tonight, guys, and we're deep down here. We brought MyCru, Trap My Ride. That's what we're doing, man. Check that out. That's awesome. Boom. And there it is. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. We'll see you here real soon. Keep on trapping.